Welcome back everybody to the Element Vape channel. Today we're taking a first look at the upcoming Voopoo V.Thru Pro pod system featuring a built-in 900 mAh rechargeable battery, 25 watts max power output, Gene chipset, providing multiple safety protection features, smart atomizer recognition, 0.69-inch OLED display, 2 amp fast charging Type-C USB, paired with a 3 ml refillable pod, utilizing different wire configurations for a satisfying vapor production. Let's get right into it and present the new V.Thru Pro 25 watt pod system by Voopoo. And here we have the upcoming V.Thru Pro pod system provided to us as a sample from the good folks over at Voopoo. Crafted from a lightweight aluminum alloy, eliminating the excess weight while retaining a strong, satisfying vaping experience. Available in 6 eye-catching colorways to choose from. Here, we have the Rosy Edition with an integrated 900 mAh rechargeable battery. The V.Thru Pro pushes a max power output of 25 watts. Here we have the Voopoo logo on one side with the striped pattern design on the other, featuring the Gene chipset, Type-C USB charging port located at the base of the device. Here we have our power button rested alongside a 0.69-inch OLED display screen. The V.Thru Pro will not feature a firing button, strictly operated via draw activation. 5 clicks to power on the device, and the main screen will showcase the battery life, puff counter, wattage level, voltage level, and coil resistance. Press the power button once to open up the puff interface. Press the power button 5 times to open up a secondary menu featuring a child safety lock function, clear puff record, and to power off your device. Press and hold down the power button to make our selection. The V.Thru Pro will utilize a 3 ml refillable pod with an ergonomic mouthpiece, side fill system shut off by a silicone stopper, utilizing different wire configurations. The V.Thru Pro captures incredible flavor and satisfying vapor production. Paired with Voopoo's Gene chipset, the device will automatically recognize the coil resistance and provide the optimal output to match. The package will include the V.Thru Pro 25 watt battery device with a 3 ml refillable pod, utilizing a pre-installed 0.7 ohm mesh coil, a secondary pod with a pre-installed 1.2 ohm helix coil, a Type-C USB charging cable, and a user manual.